Hey guys, so welcome to Emmventures Adventures. Today I'm going to be taking you on a little adventure through a hacking trail. So a hack is normally what you do on a horse. So I'm currently not on a horse, but we're just going to take this little trail anyways and see what we can see. So let's get on this journey. So I'm currently just at a farm, just trying to get to the entrance of the trail. Looks like something passed over there. Looks like they have a little mini garden going on over there. It's so nice. So this is definitely a private farm. They do offer boarding of horses. We are going to go this way. Jump over this huge log. Would go that way, but that way leads to the road and more paddocks for horses. I don't know exactly how long this trail is or where it goes to, but just here just to enjoy the scenery. Just to take it all in and enjoy some beautiful Canadian farm scenery. If you guys are enjoying my videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and make sure you comment below if you want to come on more adventures with me. If you know of any places to explore, things like that, by all means, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to go exploring and give you a shout out too while I'm there. But look at the size of this log. Holy moly. Looks like recently a horse has been here. Let's keep going. I think that's an arena for training horses to do jumps and things like that. Like I said before, that this is a farm. It's an equestrian farm that actually has a few boarding horses, and maybe in my next adventure we can actually go explore the farm. Holy poop. Definitely looks like there was a horse through here recently, and I am not in proper shoes. But I'm out here getting you guys some views, taking in all this luscious greenery, and enjoying the little things. So I'll do it for you guys. I wonder if that branch just came down on its own, or if it was trampled by a horse. There's some very large horses here. Looks like they're trying to grow in some new little pine trees over here. which would be nice. I don't know if those hills all the way over there are just grass or if they're actually like little overgrown manure piles. Some fields over there. Looks like they sell corn and stuff. That definitely looks like a cornfield. So, here's the deal. I enjoy exploring and filming my explorations with you guys. And I also would like to know what you guys think of my exploring. Should I go to more kind of scenic areas, or should I see if I can find more like woody, kind of foresty, kind of creepy areas, or if you guys just kind of like what I'm doing, because I kind of like what I'm doing. You can hear possibly the chickens in the background and some more poop. It's just beautiful, and it's peaceful, and it's quiet. Oh, guys, the farm life is great. It's muddy and it stinks, but oh man, is it ever wonderful here. That's a cool little area. I hear something hopping around. Let's go see if we can see what is hopping around in here. That's a pretty cool tree. So I'm going to try to film this entire trail for you guys. I don't know how long it is or anything like that, but we'll see. We will definitely see, because it is a beautiful trail and I definitely want to explore the whole thing with you guys. So let's keep exploring. So, as many of you guys already know, I am in Canada, so these are all Canadian videos of Canadian places. So if any of you guys know where I am or anything like that, definitely feel free to come to this farm, and they give riding lessons, and you get to possibly store a horse here, and this actually looks like it's the end of the trail. Well, that was actually a nice little walk. I can take you up that way, but that just takes us back towards the barn. I could just zoom in to give you guys a little bit of a view of the barn and stuff. But we're not going to really film that because there's people in there and they have their horses and they might not want to be in our little video. So, I need you guys to do one thing for me. Comment below about how much you like this video. Subscribe. Smash that like button. And hit your notifications so you can come on every Emmventure with me. Because the more I do these, the more I'm having fun. And the more I'm enjoying it. And let's do these every day. And I will try to get you guys content every day. But you gotta subscribe and follow and hit the notifications. Oh yeah, so let's just keep going. So I actually think we're going to end our video here today. We will have more exploration for you guys tomorrow. So like, comment, subscribe, and come and join me on more adventures. Just remember, always keep safe, have fun, and definitely enjoy the little things.